back again. How to remove the driver power switch. Yep. Get this. So you don't really have to take off the whole door. Yeah, you don't really have to take off the whole door. But yeah. Yeah, I'll go a bit between right there. So. Easy. Easy. Unplug all of that and then brand new look at the box. Brand new. Oh, right off of Amazon. Brand new. And, you know, might as well see if the oil's gonna change the wiper blades. Two front wiper blades, and it come with a back one too. Boom. Yeah, quick. All right. I'm doing this with one eye. Not one, come on. Whew. Yeah, that was the problem. Yeah, this was stuck when you bring the window down, it doesn't want to go back up. Yeah, everything else worked, but yeah, might as well just change the whole thing. See, and this was the problem. Break off. Yep. All right. Guess we reconnect. See if we can do it. One. Boss.
I said, let me buy a plate.
Just slide it back though. Just like that. Wow, look at that. Wow. I did need the key. I'll push that in. So, let me see if we can get the key here. Put the key inside. I'm not gonna do it though. Let's see if it will work. Wow. Look at that. Yeah. Perfect. I put in a dash cam. So now run the dash cam. Yep. Inside. Yep. All right, I'm out.